Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. In this video, we are going to learn how to combine multiple Excel sheets into one using the VSTACK function. So here I have opened Microsoft 365 and we have this sample dataset of different warehouses. This is the dataset of warehouse A. This is the warehouse B sheet with this data. Then we have the warehouse C and then we have the warehouse D. So I want to combine all of these sheets into this one sheet right here. For that, I will use the VSTACK formula. To write the VSTACK formula, I'll write here equals VSTACK parenthesis, and then we want to start with the warehouse A, so I will just write it down here. I'll write warehouse A. Now inside the warehouse A, what I want is I want to start from a column. So let me just show you. I'll go to warehouse A. So our data in warehouse A is from A2 all the way to E50. Similarly for warehouse B, it is from A2 all the way to E50, and the same is for C and D as well. So I'll go back again here, and here I'm just going to say equals VStack warehouse A, and the data starts from A2 all the way to E50. If we hover on it, as you can see, it already detects the data of warehouse A, and then comma will do the same for warehouse B. So let me just quickly copy and paste it, and I will write here warehouse B. And similarly, comma, the same for warehouse C, and then comma, the same for warehouse D, and then we'll just close the parenthesis and hit enter. And as you can see, we have all the data of warehouse A, B, C, and warehouse D. But this is not again a good method to combine all the lists or all the Excel sheets into one combined. As you can see, if we update any of this sheet or if we have a new entry here, it won't get updated in this as well. So if you want to learn efficiently how to combine multiple sheets into one, I have already created a video on that one using the Excel's Power Query feature. You can find it in the description below. So that will be enough for this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and I will see you in the next one.